Let's see. See. Oh.
Thing's still alive.
Obviously. Wow, these kids are brilliant, man.
No, the thing like the.
Do you not know what a constrictor is? It constricts it until it dies.
Right, it's gonna poop itself.
What?
It is, Dad!
It's pooing right now.
Say what?
Let me go over to this view.
Oh, damn it.
Oh, it's shitting itself right now, Dad.
Darian, move, please. You don't
It's
Still
still
not
alive.
quite the little fight.
Darian.
Like it's still alive or something, isn't it?
Yeah, it's still alive.
Oh, it's shitting and peeing.
Well, I don't know if you were getting treated like gold for a week and then somebody dropped you in for dinner, you'd probably put up a fight too, right?
It's still.
He's got a free leg that's kicking.
Is it still kicking?
Oh yeah, it kicks even after it dies.
I think she's dead
Nerves
now.
Still go off.
It's a heat problem. Is there one more in there? Only one surviving.